Hello there, I'm Jamie. I'm really excited to present you my new course on how to create amazing daylight interior scenes in less than 3 hours using 3ds Max, Vray and Photoshop. I have over 10 years of experience working on some of the best visualization and post-production companies around the world. You can find out more about me by checking on my Udemy profile, my blog, online portfolio, my new YouTube channel, on Facebook, Patreon page, or by simply googling Jamie Cardoso. This step-by-step course takes users through the process of creating procedural maps, texturing, rendering, post-production and some basic modeling techniques. The course is filled with useful tips and tricks throughout and was created for beginners and advanced users. To follow the course, you have the project files with 3D models, textures, PSD files and much more. All videos are Full HD with custom subtitles, a 24/7 technical support and 30 days money back guarantee. I really can't wait to take you through the entire course.